y'all, welcome back to Quick Tuesday with Cornell Jermaine. Listen, I am so glad you tuned in again. If you are looking to pre-lighten or color your curly hair, but you don't want to compromise your curl pattern, I think you are at the right place. Listen, I discovered a product. It's not my own, but thanks to my distributor, shout out to Stevie from Cosmo. He highly suggested that I try it, and I want to tell you that I fell in love with it. Now, first, before we get into it, what is pre-lightening? Pre-lightening is what we call in the salon lifting the hair, lifting the natural tone or color pigment out of the hair. It's what most consumers know as bleaching, where you take the hair and you remove all the natural pigment in order to deposit a new color and get that vibrancy, or to lift it out so that you can go to those platinum and silver tones. You get what I'm saying? You have to pre-lighten all that color in order to get there. Now, there's a way to do that with color. It takes a little more time and expertise. Most people, though, like to go in with your pre-lighteners such as Clairol BW2, a very popular one. Effective, does the job. Or L'Oreal Quick Blue, another one. Effective, it gets the job done. However, I found with those products that they can be quite damaging quite quickly. Before you really even get to the tone that you want, the hair is already fried and frayed. I don't know what it is about the chemistry of the products that does that, but that's what tends to happen. What happens then to curly girls or people who like to wear curly, wavy, textured hair, their own natural curly, wavy texture, is you lose the curl pattern, the wave pattern of that head of hair. Well, thanks to Stevie, I think I found a product that is going to work. Now, I used this product on a young lady not long ago who has about 18 inches of hair, thick, long, curly, and she wanted some highlights, some more color, because she had some. She wanted some more color and she wanted to be more vibrant. So I knew I had to pre-lighten it in order to get her to the shade that she wanted to be. And so I tried this product as a recommendation from my distributor, and I loved it. It is Matrix Curl Lights. As you can see, it says sample at the top. Matrix Curl Lights. And they advertise it being a curl pattern preserving lightening system. And it did just that. Let me tell you, after I took this product off, let me tell you, I lifted her. She was like a number 2, which is a dark brown. I lifted her to about a 10, pale yellow, a pale yellow 10 in one application with 30 volume. When I wet that hair to rinse the pre-lightener out, the natural hair, the naturally colored hair, and the pre-lightened hair were all the same texture. I was like, wow. So literally, she could still style her hair naturally, and it's not, she didn't have these ends that are a little straighter because they've been blown out, or these different textures now where it's a little wavy here and really tight curly there. That happens when you start coloring your hair or doing any kind of chemicals to your hair, because those chemicals can blow that cuticle out so much to where now your pattern gets disturbed. This lightener did not do that, and I was blown away by how it did that. Now, what I noticed as I researched more on the color, first of all, it comes with 2 packs inside the box. You get the ammonia-free cream, and then you get and I believe this is the lightning activator. So really what I think this is really like your traditional powder mixed in with some emollients, some moisturizers, some oils, and they have formulated something that I think is a game changer for curly girls because of its hydrating and moisturizing effects. Because keep in mind, when I rinsed that hair out, it was not dry, it was not really super frayed. It was almost like I was rinsing out a conditioner. That's how the hair just was so pliable. I was blown away. So I said, I got to tell this to my people. Now, I will say, This is a very new product. And when I say very new, my distributor was like, you're the first person I have given this to. Like literally, this has just been rolled out. So honestly, I don't know where you can purchase it, but I will Google it, try to find Matrix Curl Lights. This is a sample box, as you can see. It is the curl pattern preserving lightning system. If you're at home playing kitchen titian, that's what we used to say back in the day, and coloring your own wavy curly hair, knowing that you like to wear it styled, knowing that you don't know really what you're doing, taking the risk because you want to save the money, or taking the risk because you ain't got no other option, I get it, no problem. No judgment, judgment free. I want you to listen to what I'm saying so that you don't destroy your curl pattern in the process. Now, can't find that, and you just got to use this or this, just be careful. Try the 20 volume first. No more than 15 minutes with heat. See where you end up. And by all means, condition, condition, condition. Today, quick tip Tuesday. All right, to my curly girls, I love you and appreciate you all. Listen, I hope this helps you out in your color process. And stay in tune next week for another quick tip from me, Cornell Jermaine. Hey, leave your questions and concerns in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. I'll see you next time. Peace.